Struggling to find the perfect tablet for animation and drawing? With so many options out there, it's tough to know which one truly stands out. We've done the hard work for you, testing countless models to bring you the top 5 best tablets for animation and drawing of 2024. In this video, we'll dive into their key features and what to consider when choosing the best one for your needs, whether it's pressure sensitivity, screen quality, or software compatibility. Our list has the very best to enhance your creative workflow. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5, XENCELABS Drawing Tablet is an advanced drawing tablet tailored for professional animators and artists. This device offers an elegant nebula white finish designed to complement a light and modern workspace aesthetic, making it not only a functional tool but also a stylish addition to any creative setup. This tablet's surface is engineered to replicate the feel of a traditional pen on paper, thanks to its ultra-fine frosted texture that is non-slip and wear-resistant. The touch surface is designed with a 6.5-degree gentle slope, ensuring wrist comfort during extended drawing sessions. This ergonomic feature is particularly beneficial for animators and artists who spend long hours perfecting their work. This tablet features 5 sets of 8 customizable quick keys, offering 40 programmable functions per application. Its OLED display shows key assignments, streamlining workflow for animators. With up to 30 hours of continuous use on a full charge, it ensures reliability for extended creative sessions. The bundle includes 2 digital pens with 8192 pressure sensitivity levels and 5080 LPI resolution for precise control and a realistic feel. The XENCELABS pen tablet is compatible with Linux, Windows, and Mac, supporting software like Adobe Suite, Corel, and Autodesk. Measuring 12.6 by 9.13 by 0.31 inches and weighing 4.4 pounds, the XENCELABS pen tablet is portable and stable with a lithium polymer battery included. Overall, the XENCELABS Pen Tablet Medium Bundle SE combines style and functionality, making it an excellent choice for professional animators and artists. Its advanced features, compatibility, and ergonomic design ensure a seamless and comfortable creative experience. Number 4, XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro is tailored for animation and drawing enthusiasts, offering a robust set of features to enhance creative workflows. With its expansive 2.5K resolution on a large 23.8-inch display, the tablet delivers vivid colors and intricate details, ideal for creating animations and artworks with precision and realism. Connectivity options such as USB-C to USB-C ensure seamless integration with iMacs, MacBook Pros, and Windows computers, eliminating the need for adapters and simplifying setup across different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Android, Linux, and Chrome OS. This tablet features 90% Adobe RGB color gamut, ideal for precise graphic design and animation. It includes 2 red dial wheels and 20 shortcut keys, benefiting both left and right-handed users. The tablet's adjustable stand prioritizes ergonomics, providing optimal viewing angles for comfort during long animation and drawing sessions. It supports popular software such as ArtRage 5, OpenCanvas, and Cartoon Animator 4 Pipeline, facilitating smooth integration into various creative workflows. In conclusion, the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro stands out as a premier choice for animation and drawing enthusiasts, boasting a large, vibrant display, versatile connectivity, ergonomic design, and robust software compatibility. Number 3, Apple iPad Pro. The Apple iPad Pro is a robust and versatile tablet designed to meet the needs of creative professionals, especially those involved in animation and drawing. This model boasts a substantial 256GB storage capacity and a large 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2732 by 2048 pixels, offering exceptional clarity and color accuracy. Powered by the advanced M2 chip, the iPad Pro features an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, ensuring smooth performance for demanding tasks such as animation rendering, and graphic design. Supporting the Apple Pencil, 2nd generation, enables precise control with a natural drawing experience. iPad OS features like Scribble and a range of drawing apps from the App Store further enhance creative workflows for sketching, shading, and intricate designs. Its 12.9-inch display benefits artists and animators with 1000 nits of full-screen brightness and 1600 nits peak brightness. Promotion technology offers a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth animation playback. True Tone and P3 wide color ensure vibrant, accurate colors, crucial for high-quality creative work. The iPad Pro features Wi-Fi 6E for rapid wireless transfers of large animation files, plus a USB-C port with Thunderbolt or USB 4 support for high-speed connectivity to external displays and storage. Weighing 1.5 pounds with up to 10-hour battery life, its sleek design ensures portability and uninterrupted productivity for artists on the go. All in all, the Apple iPad Pro excels in animation and drawing with its powerful M2 chip, 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, and seamless Apple Pencil integration, making it the ultimate choice for creative professionals. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, renowned for its high-end specifications and functionality, proves to be a versatile tool for digital artists and animators alike. Boasting a substantial 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM, it offers ample space and processing power to handle complex animation and drawing applications with ease. This combination ensures that users can store large project files and run resource-intensive software without slowdowns, enhancing workflow efficiency. The tablet features a 10-inch display with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, providing decent clarity for viewing and creating artworks. While not the highest pixel density available, the screen size strikes a balance between portability and workspace, ideal for sketching, drawing, and refining intricate details. This tablet, with its ARM chipset and Android 8 operating system, supports a variety of animation and drawing apps. It ensures smooth rendering for professionals, complemented by stylus compatibility and a responsive touchscreen that mimics traditional tools, enhancing creative precision and user experience in a sleek graphite design. Additionally, its rear 12-megapixel webcam enhances its utility for creators, allowing direct capture of real-world scenes or reference materials into projects. This versatility supports a seamless workflow from initial sketching to final rendering, appealing to digital artists and animators prioritizing performance and creativity in a portable device. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra stands out as an exceptional choice for digital artists and animators, combining powerful hardware with intuitive features that enhance creative workflows and deliver outstanding performance in a sleek, portable design. Number 1. Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. The Wacom Mobile Studio Pro is tailored for professional artists and animators, offering exceptional tools for drawing and animation tasks. Its 15.6 inches 4K UHD display delivers stunning clarity and up to 85% Adobe RGB coverage, ensuring that artwork is displayed with vivid colors and precise detail, crucial for meticulous drawing and animation workflows. Equipped with the Wacom Pro Pen 2, which boasts 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and lag-free tracking, it enables artists to achieve extraordinary precision and fluidity in their work. This makes it ideal for creating intricate illustrations and smooth animations with natural pen strokes and accurate line control. The device's NVIDIA Quadro P1000 graphics card supports intensive graphical processing, essential for rendering complex animations and visual effects smoothly. Combined with the fast data processing capabilities of the Intel i7-8559U processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM, this tablet offers responsive performance even when handling large animation files and rendering tasks. For animation professionals, the customizable express keys and multi-touch surface further enhance workflow efficiency by providing quick access to frequently used functions and intuitive navigation gestures. These features streamline the animation process, allowing artists to focus more on creativity and less on technical hurdles. The tablet impresses with its performance and functionality, though its 4.7-pound weight may affect portability. Nonetheless, its sturdy construction and expandable memory and storage options guarantee durability and adaptability to evolving artistic demands. In conclusion, the Wacom Mobile Studio Pro stands as an indispensable tool for professional artists and animators, delivering unparalleled precision, vibrant display quality, and powerful performance tailored for complex creative workflows. In summary, each of these top-tier drawing tablets offers unique strengths tailored to the diverse needs of animators and artists, from the stylish and ergonomic XENCELABS Pen tablet through to the expansive and vibrant XP Pen Artist 24 Pro, the robust and versatile Apple iPad Pro, the high-performance Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, to the precision-focused Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. These devices redefine creativity with advanced features, seamless integration, and ergonomic designs. Whether prioritizing display clarity, software compatibility, or portability, these tablets cater to professionals seeking to enhance their artistic workflows with cutting-edge technology and intuitive design, ensuring every stroke and animation achieves perfection.